Welcome to Navitasefficens, your smart energy partner. A 25 feet by 50 feet shade structure for installing 17 kilowatt solar PV rooftop system. This project is divided into two parts. Part 1, shade structure, 25 feet by 50 feet. Part 2, 17 kilowatt solar PV rooftop system installation. In this video, we will see Part 1 in detail. That is shade structure. This site had few challenges. 1. 5-story high building. 2. Client wanted to use transparent sheets for light penetration, for ducts, and a well which is open to sky throughout the building. 3. This raised structure is to withstand high wind pressure. To overcome these challenges, we designed a 3D digital model to work on the stability and accuracy. A detachable ladder is provided for maintenance purpose. Actual installation. This shade structure was designed using cold-formed, pre-galvanized GI material. Structure was done following the 3D digital model. Work process. It was made while building was under construction for better stability. Each project is designed by studying the roof area available and other site conditions. It requires structural designing expertise, efficient execution skills, and other technical know-how. So, if you want to install such a solar system with raised structure, ask us now. We will tell you how. Thank you.